Bon Appétit is a monthly American food and entertaining magazine that typically contains recipes, entertaining ideas, and wine reviews. Owned by Condé Nast, it is headquartered at the One World Trade Center in Manhattan, New York City, and has been in publication since 1956. Bon Appétit has been recognized for increasing its online presence in recent years through the use of social media, publishing recipes on their website, and maintaining an increasingly popular YouTube channel. The magazine was started in 1956 as a liquor store giveaway and became a bi-monthly magazine in December 1956 in Chicago. It was acquired by M. Frank Jones of Kansas City, Missouri in 1965. Jones was owner, editor and publisher until 1970, when he sold the magazine to the Pillsbury Company, who sold it to Knapp Communications, publishers of Architectural Digest, in 1975. Jones remained with the magazine through both of these transfers, and it was at this time that Jones requested Paige Rents, the editor of Architectural Digest at the time, assist in editing the publication. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.